Hi everyone, welcome back to Bali Sarong channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to make monocolor sarong on manufacture scale. So you will know exactly the process of how we manufacture our products. The first step we need to do is to boil the wax. We practically still using traditional method to boil the wax by using big barrel and firewood to make the fire source. This process have a purpose to decrease the water content has on the wax. More longer we boil, more better result. After wax are fully boiled, we can start to do wax stamp. The stamps are made from iron and each stamp have different pattern. Flat the rayon fabrics on top of the table. Make sure the table is totally flat to avoid any unwanted situation while doing the process. When doing the stamp, the wax are still boiled on a stove using a small pan to keep the wax melting. We are using 2-layer all at once in one stamp to speed up the stamp process. After wax stamp, let's begin to the next process. Dyeing process in garment industry involves measurement in each material. The more quantity of material the better, especially on manufacture scale. In monocolor process, the material we use is Manutex, Precion and powder dyes. In general, a dyeing process is the interaction between a dye and fiber, as well as the movement of dye into the internal part of the fiber. Dyeing is a process of value-added treatments for most textile materials. Then we can continue to do the next process, which is smoke. Smoke are simply allegorically color with strong and light scents in our viewpoint, like a smoke. So this doesn't straightly mean we smoke the fabric. How we do this is by shrink the fabrics that have been dyed before. Then pour the fabrics with another color material that have been mixed earlier. Usually the mixture in smoke process are stronger than dyeing process. This part will add a variations and less monotone color of the fabric. This process is very useful to show you a smoke effect on the fabric. It can take 2 hours long to dry to improve the result. The next process is to boil the fabrics. Boiling helps to strengthen and makes the color stay permanent on the fabrics and eliminate the wax. On a manufacture basis, need approximately half or 1 day to boil the fabrics. After that, let's wash the fabrics. This is the second wave of taking care of the wax. After washing, the fabrics are completely free from the wax. Wash it 2 times so that the color does not fade. After that, soaked in water that has been mixed with fabric softener. The last process is drying. As you can see, the sarong fabrics have a smoke effect, have a light and dark scents, but still in one family color. So, that is step-by-step monocolor process on our manufacture. If you find this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check our website and our social media for more batik sarong collection. Please send an email to our email address, hello@balisarong.com. Thank you for watching.